Click link in description to buy this product today at best price.
Hey guys, how are you all today? I want to introduce to you guys this barbell set I got for myself for my home gym, and this is pretty much all I will need, especially for overall workout for the core body exercises, because with this one it comes with the dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells and push-up handles as well to help with your push-ups and give you some elevation to work your back muscles much better. What it comes with is I got the 50 pounds one, so it comes with 12 different octagon shaped weights like this, and there are 4 of each from 5, 4 and 3 pounds. And in addition to those, to make your kettlebells or dumbbells or barbells, it comes with these rods that you can use to put these, and using these clasps you can lock them in, and actually you can connect these to with this one, with the help of this one, to have like a barbell, and you can do your squats as necessary as well. This one to connector. And in addition to that, you can use these two to have a kettlebell, and you can add any weight you want other than the times that you're using this as your push-up handles. But also it comes with a user manual as well if you need. But overall, I think it's a great set. It feels really well made as well. So far so good, and I would personally recommend.